Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye, butterflies!
I'm really proud to ensure that we are providing opportunities of discovery, the wonders of nature in our city, and the flight of butterflies as part of our outdoor exhibit, so our young people can immerse themselves not only in nature but understand the concept of pollination. This experience will transport our visitors into a natural landscape and inspire the exploration of our diverse natural areas while bringing awareness to our team's conservation efforts that will allow for pollinators like our beloved butterflies to thrive in our urban landscapes. I'd like to extend my deepest gratitude to our community partners and faithful supporters of this initiative, including the Peggy Notebaert Nature Museum CEO Erin Amico, who is joining us today, 40th Ward Alderman Andre Vasquez, the West
Working on a project of home, what home means for all of us, what shelter means for all of us, and how we can share our comfort with others, how we can make them comfortable and welcome everybody in our world. I came up with this project, and actually I was inspired by some images of a group who are working in Europe named Sea-Watch. They are helping immigrants and refugees to find their place. So I was very inspired by them, and I selected some of their images, and finally I came up with this idea. This is the images of people who are trying to find a safe place for them. So I hope we all can be kind.
Such a pleasure to be with you all this morning, and we're thrilled to have partnered with the Chicago Park District on this incredible project. This project is a result of months of collaboration and hard work from our renowned Chicago artists and our community groups. This unique and expansive outdoor exhibit combines nature, art, and storytelling. Each of these sculptures are over 6 feet in diameter and incredibly unique, modeled after 2 native species of butterflies, the regal fritillary as well as the eastern tiger swallow-tailed butterfly. Art and storytelling are truly powerful tools to ignite our imagination and inspire us to think about how we can all champion the natural world. And Chicago's diverse and talented artists are truly some of our city's best ambassadors and storytellers, each with a unique and dynamic connection to nature and their own stories that they bring into their works.